legs just sink everywhere. Good. Lay on your back. Okay, so take a deep breath in through your nose. Lean back as you blow it out. All the way down. Let your head relax. Whew. And exhale out. Good. You felt that all right through there, right?
Oh my God.
So just relax. Good. Same thing over here, just relax. Good. It's a very just simple adjustment. There we go. How was that?
That felt nice, actually.
Can I come down a little closer? I want you guys to hear this. His neck is like... Good, nice. Okay. And he smiles like that every single time, by the way. Oh yeah. Boy, oh boy. Yes, sir. There you go. Boy, oh boy, it doesn't get any better than that. Yep. There you go. Yes, sir. Drop your head in my hand. Perfect.
Oh, shoot.
Now tilt your head to your right shoulder. Boy, oh boy, doesn't get any better than that. There you go. Super. Feel that one all the way up too? Mm-hmm. Good. Here's your right shoulder. You hear that over there? Left shoulder. That's a wow adjustment. I think that's what I'm going to name this video.
Take a deep breath in and let it out. And let it out. Good. Okay. Rolling her back towards me. And you felt that one.
My entire back.
Roll her towards me.
Dang.
And then if you want to come in here. Good.
Nice.
Ooh.
Yes, sir. Yeah, Crackag's gonna love you too. There you go. You feel that from your knee all the way up to your low back? Yep. That's it. Ooh. Oh yeah. Doesn't get any better than that. Oh yeah. Oh, Crackag's gonna love you. There it is. I knew I had that one in there. I had to go back for that one, Chris. There we go. Yep. Diversified rotary brake. Drop it. There. Tilt right. There you go. There you go. There we go. Okay, drop this in my hand. There you go. There you go.
Allow some of those muscles that might be just chronically tight to start to ease in and relax, and lets me adjust her a lot smoother. How'd that feel, Anna?
Yeah, much better.
Good. I roll forward nice and relaxed, let her body relax under my hand, and drop.
Let your arms hang off the floor, off the edge. Let your head just drop into my hands. Let your shoulders relax for me. There we go.
Man.
That was a big one, huh?
That was. Wow.
Same thing here. There we go. There's that C3 on that left side there.
I got you. Boy, that's the Crackag's gonna love you. There you go, good. Lower thoracics, mid thoracics. Okay. There's your right shoulder. There you go. That's it. That was a deep one. Yes, sir. Just relax. There you go. Now you should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your back. MCL for all you jocks that have injured your knees. There you go. Yes, sir. Boy, Crackag's gonna love you. Yeah, boy. Oh.
Okay.
Whoa!
Woo! Wow, 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 wow. Oh, okay. That was awful.
Awful. Well, I guess she's being truthful. Definitely truthful.
That's it. All the way down here. But you should have felt that all the way up in your lower back.
Yeah.
There you go. Did you feel that one all the way up too?
Yeah.
Good. Got a lot of skip jumps in it. There you go. Yes, ma'am. There we go. That's your wrist that was hurting.
Yeah.
There. Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am. Oh boy. There you go. There you go. Let me have you. Yeah, Batman's noisy this afternoon. Drop this in my hands here. There you go. I got you. Okay, you're trying to buck on me a little bit. That's not going to help.
Okay.
There we go. There you go. Quite frankly, a lot of chiropractors are just afraid to do it. There are a few out there. There you go. Super. She's a keeper. Not just for that reason either. Okay, lay your head in my hands as if you're sleeping. Tilt your left ear to your left shoulder. Now wiggle your right ear. There you go. Tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. Wiggle your left big toe. There you go. Boy, it doesn't get any better than that, my friend. In 37 years of practice now. Okay, let this go. There you go. That's it.
Damn.
Okay, drop this one in my hand. There you go. That's it. Just like that. Good job. There we go. Mm-hmm. She's getting really nervous now. You hear her giggling? There you go. Just relax your head in my hand. Now she's got more subluxations on this right side. Drop it in my hand. Wiggle your left ear. There you go. Don't worry. Don't have any heads on my trophy wall. Drop it in my hand. Wiggle the right toe. There you go. Super. Yes, ma'am. Okay, let your head relax in my hand here. Got a big old bowling ball I gotta adjust. There you go. That felt great too. There you go.
Good, nice. Good, nice. Good. Good, nice. Wow. I'm not adjusting his atlas. I'm adjusting just the middle of his neck, right again where the arthritis is. Good. Let's just see. 7 on the right. Good on the left. Good. Good, right there.
Okay, I got you. There you go. Yes, sir. Now that's a real adjustment. Let me tilt you left. Just like that. Oh yeah, doesn't get any better than that, my friend. There you go. Good. Yes, sir. Just like that. Perfect. Boy, you're getting the hang of this, Arthur. That's good.
Yeah, first time was scary.
Yeah. That's it. There we go.
Yeah.
When I first met you, you were all humped over. Forward, remember that? There we go. Crack guy's gonna love you, you know he's all over. There we go. Oh boy, I heard that one in Beaumont.
I've never heard that.
Yeah.